Good evening, everyone. Esteemed fellow awardees, distinguished guests, Daegar Hov. Yeah. It's a huge honor and a privilege to be here on stage tonight on behalf of DSV to receive this prestigious award for the most outstanding global logistics service provider of the year. Thank you very much to Business Innovator for recognizing our hard efforts and giving us this award. And I also want to take this opportunity to say a huge thanks to all our hard-working and dedicated people in DSV. They are the ones who truly makes an award like this possible at all. In our industry, when it comes to innovation, I think we can still raise the bar higher than where we are. One of the things DSV is doing is trying to solve issues where you need to deliver parcels to a potentially remote industrial area where normal means of transport isn't possible. It could be to an oil rig in the middle of the ocean. It could be to an area that is hit by a natural catastrophe. We have done drone deliveries to such areas, so it's quite an innovation in our mind at least, and we will continue to do so. DSV have a tagline called keep supply chains flowing. For that, we believe that it's not just a matter about deliver a shipment from A to B, it's a commitment to our client and therefore also to their customers. We are here tonight with my colleague Kini Lau and Andy Siu to network. We are here to share experiences, continue to innovate across industries, and we wish everybody here a wonderful night. Cheers, everyone.